Remove the adapter light board. Connect the adapter board ribbon cable to the adapter board. Remove the card reader and connect its ribbon cable. Remove the screen and connect its ribbon cable. Connect both the card reader and the screen to the adapter board. After connecting, set it aside for later use. Remove the emergency stop button and its cable. Connect each wire to its corresponding port. After connecting, set it aside for later use. Take out the leakage protection ring. Pass the brown live wire and blue neutral wire through the leakage protection ring. Connect the blue neutral wire to the first NIN terminal on the right side. Connect the brown live wire to the second LAN terminal on the right side. Take out the output wires. Connect the blue output neutral wire to the second in-out terminal on the left side. Connect the brown output live wire to the far right L-out terminal. Connect the yellow-green ground wire, both input and output, to the middle PE terminal. Remove the CP terminal. Use a manual flathead screwdriver to loosen the screw on the upper CP terminal. Insert the red CP wire into the upper CP terminal. Connect the leakage protection ring to the leakage protection port on the control board. The A leak port is located at the bottom right of the control board. The B leak port is above the CP terminal on the control board. Remove the Bluetooth antenna and connect it to the Bluetooth module. Take out the Ethernet module and connect the Ethernet cable. Insert the module into the control board as shown in the diagram. Connect the adapter board to the middle port of the control board. Connect the emergency stop to the upper right port of the control board. Remove the ambient light and connect its ribbon cable. Connect the ambient light ribbon cable to the motherboard. Remove the 4G module and connect its ribbon cable. Connect the 4G module ribbon cable to the 4G module port above the adapter board port. Remove the 4G antenna. Connect the 4G antenna to the 4G module. The order of connections can be adjusted according to your specific case. Thank you for your patience in